waiting for?
So we're waiting for fucking Sahil to come over, cause today we are gonna take my car to finally get bagged. So we have to go to Modesto. The guy said I have to be there before 4:30. 4:30. It's 3 o'clock. We're still at home. It takes about 2.5 hours to get there. We're not making it at 4:30.
No.
So Edwin is here, right? So it's all good. You know, his schedule is free. Sahil made it at a physical appointment for today, but yeah, it's fine. You know, whatever. You gotta fix on your health and shit. So it's cool. So yeah, we're just waiting for him to get here. Once he brings the Prius, we're about to skedaddle on over. Probably gonna hit some canyon roads.
Canyon carsing.
Oh yeah. Also, guys, you guys probably didn't even see this. I got some new rims on my car. I put some new wheels. Probably go check it out
After the bags.
after the bags. So
Tomorrow.
well, yeah, the next day. Cause so it's gonna take a pretty long process. I don't know if it'll be done on Sunday or Monday. We don't know. So we'll just have to find out. So yeah, I put new wheels on the car. You guys will see when it's completely bagged and all the setup. The system that I got was a Airlift 3H suspension kit. So yeah.
Hey man.
Hey!
There's some gas over here.
Hey, man.
You
You know how much a full tank is? It's like freaking $35.
Yeah, me too, man. Let's get that PIN number.
Hey!
Hey.
Nice.
So update. Still haven't left Hayward. It's been a solid 40 minutes since our last checkup.
We should get there around 6:14.
6:14.
It is
3:40.
3:40 right now. So a good almost 3 hours.
A solid 3 hours. Sahil.
Oh, Sal's right there. I see Sal. He's behind this car.
Is he really?
Yeah. I see the Prius. That's the Prius, right? Yeah, I think. See Sal.
No, that's not Sahil.
Yeah, no, behind this car, behind us.
Behind the red car?
Yeah, it's a Prius. Yeah, I think it is. No, it's a Prius. I think it's a Prius.
But anyway, long story short, we lost Sahil in the first 5 minutes of when we left.
Better blast. I know that guy.
You know this guy?
Yeah.
Who is this?
Freaking Rust from freaking Modern Warfare 2.
Modern
right
Warfare
here.
2? 1v1 me, kid.
Legit Rust. Extended. Dude, are we even in California? Yeah, Tal back there. Keeping up with the Prius. We just made it to Area 51.
Area 51,
So it looks like over here, this is the desert.
the experimental
This is
test site.
Explosive test site over here.
A laboratory or some shit.
It's like a theme park though. Yeah, a pipe right here.
The fucking pipe bomb, dude.
Yeah, they're testing bombs across the street from like neighbors right here. People live there. Look at that. This boulder right there, pretty sure it was a normal shape before they blew it up. See, this is all their thing. It says like, do not cross. It's forbidden. This is forbidden.
Forbidden by law.
What a country we live in. This is the house. Man, this guy must be selling some drugs. Look at that.
Dude, this shit is gated off too. Look at this.
No, we're at the house. That's the freaking house.
Goodness. That's a
Holy-
beautiful.
They have the back house right there too. Look at that.
Two other houses behind.
It's like an acre of freaking. Oh, shit, look at this place over here.
Alright, yo guys, so it's currently Monday and we're gonna go pick up the car right now. We just passed like Tracy and all that, so we're gonna go with the boy, Eddie Boy, in the building. So right now we're gonna go. We went on Friday to drop it off. up. We're gonna see how it looks. He sent me pictures already, so I'm pretty excited to see it in person. So yeah, let's go check it out.
Ready?
I'm ready, dude. I'm ready.
Let's see. Here it is. Ah, it's inside.
It's not there. It's inside. Fuck,
Okay,
dude.
we'll do drive-by.
Oh shit. Oh my god! It's on the floor, dude!
Parking at disabled.
Oh my god, disabled, dude. Freaking-
Kosher's disabled.
I'm disabled right now.
Fuck me. Look at the chapstick, Kosher. Get your Cali Red stickers.
Shit, dude. Oh my god. Huh? Ah, man. Really? For real?
Nah, Joe.
Are you for real?
Yeah.
Oh, man. You have to wait till later on this afternoon?
Well, I checked everything I can check. Where's my text?
Alright, here's Kosher's first driveway. So guys, I'll give you guys a quick little walk around how it looks now, completely bagged. This is it completely aired out. It looks super sick, as you can see. Literally out here, it's tucking hard. You can tell, it's super low. I love it. See it over here as well. It's tucking hard. And yeah, so by the way, these are my new wheels, by the way. It's the Adohans on some Toyo Proxies. It's the Toyo Proxy 4 Plus. So yeah, I got basically rocking 245, 40, no, 245, 35, 19 in the front, and 255, 35, 19 in the back. So yeah, and I got it with the bronze, you know, the black and the bronze is kind of what I've always wanted. So yeah, it looks super sleek, as you can tell. And yeah, I'm super hyped about it. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Sorry for the wind noise. Fuck, bro. That's so sick. I'm in love. 100%. Oh yeah. Alright guys, so this is gonna wrap it up for the whole air suspension video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. You know, I've been having a lot of fun with this whole thing. As you can see, it's literally on the ground, both ways. So it looks super sick. I've had it for like literally a couple hours already, and I've been having so much fun with it. So yeah. Thank you guys all so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy, don't forget to drop a like, comment, and subscribe if you guys are new. A ton more videos are going to be coming with this. I'm going to be finally going to more car meets and all that good fun stuff. And yeah, so it's going to be super fun. I cannot wait. And yeah, thank you guys for coming along with the ride. And see you guys in the next video. Peace out.